welcome to Crochet Smash. Today let us explore how to make a thermal stitch with a double crochet. So I made a length of chain. Now on the third chain from hook 1 2 3 we make a double crochet on the back loop. We are doing double crochets. Sorry, I was going so fast. Double crochet on the third loop from hook. This is first, second and third. So yarn over the hook, then insert the hook into the top loop of the chain, then bring up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Now we grab the yarn, go through 2 loops on the hook, then we still have 2 loops on the hook. So we grab the yarn, pull through the last 2 loops on the hook. Then again we are going to make another double crochet, going through the top loop or the back loop only. Now we make chain 2, turn the work. We are going to go to the back loop of this one, and we have the back loop of the foundation chain. So we are going to go through this one and this one, then this one, like that. From here, go here. Then we grab the yarn, pull up a loop, go through 2 loops on the hook, then grab the yarn, go through the next 2 loops on the hook. Again, yarn over hook, insert into the next stitch, back loop only, then go to the foundation row and push your hook through that unworked loop, pull up the yarn, then yarn over hook. Something went wrong. Okay, and here and here. Grab the yarn through both the loops, bring up a loop. Two loops, then bring through the remaining 2 loops. You can see there is a ridge forming there. We will work that one in the next row. And I will show you how to do the color changing on this one as well. this turning chain, I am going to make one double crochet with the back loop only. Okay, now chain 2, turn the work, yarn over hook, insert the hook into the first stitch and into the bottom of the unworked loop of the previous row. Bring up a loop, go through 2 loops, go through the next 2 loops, like that. But like this, few more rows, and we will see how to do the color change. So here we are on the last stitch. Just do it again, this in the back, and bring up a loop, yarn over, bring through 2 loops, and then we are not going to finish the last one. I'm going to get some pink yarn and I'm going to finish off the stitch by bringing the pink yarn over there and tugging it a little bit so it will get tighter. Then chain 1, chain 2 actually, because we are doing double crochet. Then we are going to insert the hook in the back loops and doing double crochet. We do double crochet one more time. Let us see what happened. It's okay. I'm going to chain 2, this one and this one. It's a neat color change. And get some stretch. And the color changes work well too. It will make a nice winter scarf. If you like this video, then please like and share with your friends. Please do subscribe to my channel so that you will know when the next video is uploaded. See you next time with a new pattern. Till then, bye bye.